Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and I'm just doing a little quick video for you guys to just update you guys on the Moto G6 Play so far. Honestly, I'm definitely digging the phone. I think that the build quality is definitely worth the $130 that I paid for, and I actually liked it so much. I actually picked up like the Boost Mobile one as well for $80, so you definitely want to see that on the channel next. But I'm definitely digging the phone. I'm digging the fingerprint scanner and the speaker. There's only one speaker in the front by the earpiece, but it's definitely loud. It's not, I mean, like, it is a little bit tinny, but it's definitely loud, so you could definitely hear it in like a semi-loud room, you could say. Now, as far as the build, I'm loving the build on this thing. It's beautiful. It does have a little bit of like a camera hump there, but I'm definitely digging the whole blue, like, and how it shimmers like in the light like this. I'm definitely feeling that. What else can I say about it? I believe out the box all you get is 10 gigs of storage, and you do have to update as well, like a lot of the apps that actually came with it. And it did have a few apps that was like for it's like gaming apps that like I just saw at the box. I could definitely show you guys. Now, as far as the camera, the cameras are really not that bad on this device. I'm telling you, like, I'm like a camera head. So I could definitely show you guys some pictures real quick, and I'll show you what I've been taking with the phone. Okay, so here's some shots that I've been taking with it. It is definitely not bad, like a little bit soft in the zoom, but it's definitely passable. Like in the front, I'm gonna show you a picture with the front facing camera. So here's a picture with the front facing camera. Like, that is very passable. I'm telling you. And as far as the smoothness of the phone, it's been pretty smooth so far, but I'm just trying to imagine how the phone will actually be after I install like a lot of my favorite apps. So I'm gonna definitely see exactly what happens there. But so far, the phone is definitely a win for me. Like, I just did the video of the Moto, I believe the Moto E5 Play, and like, for having a $20 difference with the Boost variants, it's pretty obvious that I would definitely get the G6 Play over the Moto E5 Play, guys. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I do know that a lot of people are asking me like about the unlocking process. I'm gonna definitely try it with eBay first and see if I could do it that way, or if I just pay the $50 and just get it unlocked, and I can use it for any GSM and probably CDMA carriers. And I did have a question about having to use this on postpaid, and I will actually make a video next, a separate video, so I don't make this one super long. But I'm definitely digging the phone. I think it's worth the money so far. It's smooth, and the screen is really not horrible at all. Like, it actually looks decent. And I watched a couple videos on this, and I did like my little MKBHD test, and I could definitely see, you know, like the hairline and the pores are definitely in effect there. so if you guys want to see more coverage of the Moto G6 Play, just follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. I'm gonna do a bunch of videos with this device, and you guys let me know what do you guys want to see. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.